Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make limoncello gelato. First, gather your ingredients: 8 to 10 organic lemons, sugar, water, and heavy cream. Begin by carefully peeling the lemons, ensuring you avoid the bitter white pith. This step is crucial for a smooth flavor. Next, infuse these vibrant lemon peels in high-proof alcohol for at least 4 days to extract their essential oils, creating your limoncello base. Once your lemon peels have infused, it's time to prepare the simple syrup. Combine 2 cups of sugar with 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Gently heat this mixture, stirring until all the sugar completely dissolves. It's important not to boil it vigorously. After the sugar is dissolved, remove it from the heat and let the simple syrup cool down completely. This ensures proper integration with your limoncello base. Now, strain your infused limoncello to remove all the peels, leaving you with a pure lemon essence. In a large bowl, combine the strained limoncello, the cooled simple syrup, and 5 cups of cold heavy cream. Whisk everything together until well blended. Pour this delightful mixture into your ice cream maker and churn for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. After churning, transfer your soft limoncello gelato into an airtight container. Smooth the top and place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours. This allows the gelato to firm up to the perfect scoopable consistency. When ready, serve this refreshing treat chilled. It's a delightful dessert for any occasion. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade limoncello gelato.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.